Hi everyone, welcome back and happy Valentine's Day to you all, wherever you are and if you're celebrating. I thought I would jump on the bandwagon and join everyone else on YouTube and do a Valentine's painting. I'm using my gouache paints for the first time. Everyone tells me they're very easy to use and they're very similar to watercolors. So these gouache paints I have are very cheap. I wanted to try the cheap version first before I paid the money for a good set, because when I looked them up, they're not very cheap. So sit back, relax and enjoy. And I hope you will. Look at that. That's a big fat mess, isn't it? That's beginning to look like a murder scene. I will change this, don't worry. Sit back and watch the process, because what I had in my head and what ends up in the end are two completely different ideas, but it does turn out beautiful at the end. Well, that's looking much better. No murder scene anymore. Mental note, don't use red when you're trying to run watercolour paints. I'm now outlining, which you've just seen me do, the hearts with my Posca pens. I used gold, silver and white, and now I'm putting some smaller hearts with my Posca pens in the background. I thought the background might be a bit too light, but I didn't want to muck around with it and ruin it, because I actually quite like how the hearts have turned out. So I will try using my gouache paints again. I have been told that they layer really well, better than watercolours sometimes, so I might give that a crack as well. But at the moment, I'm really liking how this has turned out. I hope you enjoy it. It's a simple piece, but anyone can do it. And go out there and have a go. There we are, all done. And I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out. I think it actually looks really beautiful. Simple piece, fun to do, and that's it. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you soon.